Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And today, yes, you've seen the title. We're about to revisit the Tizen 3.0.0.2, right? Now, let's go all the way back. Let's just talk about this thing for a minute before I get to the meat of the matter. Now, first of all, remember when the 3.0 came out and people were having issues, they're having battery drain issues, connection issues, overheating issues. Those things I wasn't having. I didn't have any of those issues. I didn't have any problems. I was enjoying the UI. I was actually continuing to enjoy the Gear S3, right? Now, when the next update came, which was the 3.0.0.2, which was supposed to fix the issue that came about as a result of the 3.0, right? Now, I got many of feedback that was being said that this thing did not fix any issues. It didn't fix none of the problems except for maybe the connection problem issue because my phone kept disconnecting, reconnecting, disconnecting. So it took care of that issue, right? Now, I still didn't download that particular update, right? Because I knew that if I did that, it may be an issue, and I was enjoying battery life of 60%, 55%. I'm talking about this is after a 12, 13, 14-hour day. I'm talking about my battery life has always been a beast, right? I mean, always. So for the sake of the channel, what I decided to do was go ahead and download it so I can bring back the news that matters to you all, right? So I went ahead, I downloaded it after I waited. I'm telling you, it had to be a month or two before I actually did this. And when I did it, this is where the issue began, right? So now I'm having battery issues. It went from 60% down to like 40%. Now it's all the way down to 23%. I mean, it never fails. I'm getting home with 20-something% every day. Now, I'm that guy. I do not take my smartwatch off my wrist. My smartwatch stays on my wrist until I lay it down at night. Other than that, my watch doesn't come off my wrist. And I am that same type of guy. I know I sent out some reviews, some videos, understand, on how to extend your battery life on the Gear S3, the Gear Sport, or if you had the Gear S2, right? Those things work. But I'm not that guy that dials back anything. I'm the same way with any smart device. My smartphone, which is my Galaxy Note 8, I don't cut back anything. I don't cut back the brightness. I don't cut back on applications. I let them run in the background because if this is actually a great device, then it should carry me through the day with no problem. Same way I felt about the Gear S3. Now, I'm not getting the battery life anymore. Now the question at the end of the day is are you still having problems? Did you download the update, the 3.0.0.2? And if you did, are you having any issues? If you're not having any issues, either or, hit me in the comment section down below and let me know. Cool? Now, here's the thing. Now, well, let me get it right. Wear OS. Now, Google is about to come out with a new smartwatch, right? We don't know what it's going to be like. We don't know what it's going to look like. They've been talking about that it's supposed to be thin, that it's going to be a beast in the battery department. That remains to be seen because the smartwatch is not out yet. Now, considering that they're going to have the Google Assistants embedded in this thing, now if they come with that battery life and it's a beast, as they're talking about with this Qualcomm chip that's supposed to be in this smartwatch, then that's probably going to turn a lot of people over to the Wear OS. Now, particularly, I'm a fan of both. My first love is the Tizen operating system. I mean, I got the Samsung Gear, the original Gear, when they first came out with it, all the way up to the Gear S3. And I am looking to get the Gear S4 as well. But right now, lately, I've been wearing my Moto 360 as my daily driver on a daily basis. So I don't know what Wear OS did, but when that update came after the fact, now my Moto 360, whereas it wasn't getting that battery life, where it was dying before I even got home, now I can make it through a whole day, and I'm coming home with now 60%, 50% battery life on the Moto 360, which has been a long time since I've gotten anything like that on a smartwatch, right? So now that has become my daily driver. This is why you've been seeing my watch not having any step counts on it, because I need something that's going to be reliable. Is it a big deal? No, it's not a big deal. We got a new smartwatch coming out, the Gear S4, so I look forward to seeing that. And hopefully Samsung fixed the issue that's going on with these smartwatches. I mean, people are paying a lot of money for a device or product only to have issues with it soon as they get the smartwatch or the product. That's not a good deal at all. Samsung, you need to correct the problem. You need to do something about it. And I think you need to do something about it really, really soon. Now, with that being said, the question at the end of the day, what do you think about Wear OS? Do you have an Android device? Is it working for you? Is it a beast in the battery department? You know, is the operating system running smoothly since they changed the name from Android Wear to Wear OS? Hit me in the comment section below. I just want to know. I want to know if you're getting good battery life on the Gear S3. Did the update cause any issues? That was supposed to fix the update that caused issues. Do you have an Android Wear smartwatch? Has that become your daily driver? Hit me. Let me know. I would like to know those things, right? With that, that's all I got. I'm through ranting. I hope you all have a great day. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, by all means, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I'll see you all at the next one. Peace.